best thing I ever did for myself was purchase a Ninja 2-door air fryer. I'd been on the fence about them for months and months, and during the last Amazon Prime day, I bit the bullet and purchased the air fryer, and I actually got it at half price. It was an excellent deal, and I use it almost every day. I have noticed that I don't have to turn down the AC. In Florida here, it's so hot all the time that the minute you turn your oven on, you have to turn down your AC. So I don't do that anymore at dinner time. It doesn't heat up the kitchen, and surprisingly, it has not increased our electricity bill at all. Here's a little demo. We have dogs that have allergies, serious food allergies, and they're on a very strict diet, so I give them sweet potato treats and they're dehydrated. And here is a little demo. I hope you'll consider purchasing one from the link that I'm going to include in the description. One of the things I love about this Ninja 2-door air fryer is that you can cook something separately in the top and then again in the bottom. And for us, because we have dogs that have allergies, I dehydrate sweet potatoes. And there's one tray. Whoops. The other tray. Turn this on, and here it says there's multiple options on this lower oven area. So I want to dehydrate, and it already has the temperature. And here I am going to turn it on for 3 hours. And halfway through, I'm going to switch the trays around. Here's the result of our sweet potatoes. Look, nice and crispy. And the dogs love them.